Hi, I wanted to do a really quick flip through of what I've done this past week in my cousin, my weekly supplemental A6, and my Hobonichi Weeks, which I decided to use as a planner and not an exercise meal tracker. So let's start off with the cousin just so you can look at that. And the only thing I'm really going to show you for this one is the weekly layout. So that's this right here. And I'm holding my phone versus using the scan because this is going to be such a quick video. But you can see what this looks like here, what I've done so far. And again, not shy with the washi tape, the stickers, or my page tabs. The ticking you hear in the background is my Haunted Mansion Disneyland clock, just in case anybody's wondering. Okay, so now let's go to my weekly supplement, going straight to that page. That's what this looks like. Again, not being too shy with the stickers or anything like that. And the only real change was with my weeks. Again, this was my exercise, meals, tracker steps, and I wasn't really keeping up with it, so I decided to change it up a little bit and see how I would do with using it as a planner. So you can see what it looks like. I still needed to keep track of my exercises because I needed to get back on that. My weight and my steps, but my battery died on my Garmin step tracker. So I wasn't able to track my steps, but I have my weights in. Again, not going skimpy with the stickers. Kept track of my bills up here, so you can't see what I've paid, but I did pay a lot of the bills, mail that I'm expecting. I kept track of my vitamins over here on the side. I don't think I'm going to be buying a Hobonichi Weeks. I was thinking of picking up two because I need to keep up with my fitness and exercise and meal tracking. And I thought I'd get another one to do this for next year. But I found my Michaels 3-ring, I guess it's like a binder. They stopped selling it. They only did it for 1 year, a couple of years ago. And I haven't been able to find any inserts for it since. But I did find smaller inserts to fit into that one. So I'm thinking about using that for next year for this kind of tracking of my stuff. But I will show that later in the year, in a couple of weeks, to show what I'm going to be using for 2021. But anyways, this is how I'm using the Hobonichi Weeks for this week. I'm not too sure what I want to do for next week, if I want to go back to the fitness tracking or do this. I'll probably make up my mind on Sunday. And that's it. That's what I've done for this week. I haven't placed an order yet for my 2021 things. I've just been dragging my feet because I haven't been able to make up my mind about what I wanted to get. But if you guys ordered anything and you want to let me know, you can go ahead and write it down below. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.